Hello dear friends, welcome. I'm Jacinta Monto to our dear President Ruto. Today we have listened to your speech, how you want to expand some roads, but unfortunately I was waiting for you to include Kangundo Road, which is the most used road in Nairobi area. So many users are using the road. So many accidents are happening, and yet no one is caring about the road users, the pedestrians, and the countless number of people who are injured. Others are losing their lives. Vehicles which are not supposed to be road are also using that road and causing accidents. So my sincere call to you as our president is to ask you to allocate some money so that you can have a dual current road, the Kangundo Road. So many users are using that road, but the demerits are so many. So can you put that one into consideration? Thank you. There is also the issue of St. Michael's Tent, which is the black spot that road. So many accidents are happening in that area. People get injured, losing lives, and yet the leaders are not talking. They are just staring at people suffering and damage which the people go through. No one considers. So it's high time. That's a wake up call, because the road is very narrow, steep, and when the vehicles are so many, it causes congestion, accidents, and that is a loss to our country. So we need to do something. Thank you.